Hey guys, this is Epson EcoTank 5150. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you go on the screen, you select the Wi-Fi image on top, network connection settings, select connection method. So you have Wi-Fi recommended or Wi-Fi direct. So tap on Wi-Fi, then you select start setup, then you select start setup, Wi-Fi setup wizard or push button setup or others. Select Wi-Fi setup wizard, and it's now searching for available network, searching for wireless router. So you found the router available, so you select router. Now the next is you need to put the information that you need for you to set up. So what you need to do is then you tap on it. So once you tap on it, it will give you the keyboard for you to put the details that you need. So you have the numbers, all the characters, you have 1, 2, 3 and alphabet. So I'm going to put the information of the network, then we'll go from there. And once you put the information, then you select OK. The next is for you to select Start Setup. So once you put the information, the next you need to do is select Start Setup. Now it's connecting to wireless router. Setup complete. Wi-Fi setup is complete. Print the connection check report for details. Select OK. And also if you look on the Wi-Fi, you will see the Wi-Fi light is now steady blue light and the Wi-Fi direct is blank. So once it's connected to Wi-Fi network, you see this Wi-Fi image and the router showing you blue color that is connected. Then you select close. So this is how to set this printer. Now, if you want to add this printer to your mobile device, what you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store, download Epson Smart Panel. This is Epson Smart Panel. Open it, download it on your mobile phone, open it up. This is Epson Smart Panel. So what you need to do is, first of all, you go on top to add this printer and select plus. Set up a new product or to connect a product already on the Wi-Fi network. So this printer is now connected to Wi-Fi network. So you need to select option 2, connect to a product already on the Wi-Fi. And if you find the product ET5150 series, then you select on it. Connection is complete. Then you select OK. You are using the latest firmware. So this is the printer here and the ink level ET5150 series. This printer is ready. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network and also add it to your mobile phone. If you want to print document from your phone, for example, you select print document. Then you go to your file or wherever you save the document you want to print out. So I'm going to select this document PDF. I'm going to print out this document, then select print, or you select the gear. First of all, select the gear. It gives you option for you to select all the features that you want. Print range. We want to print this document. We want to print only page 1, 2 pages document, but we want to print only page 1. Then you select done. And also we want to print this document with A4 paper and color. Then you select how many copies. Once you select the copies, then you select go on top and select done. Then select print. It's now printing the document. Printing completed. So this is the document we printed out. Single page. Printing complete. Then it close. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, add it to your mobile phone, then print document. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.